How to download and install Talkie Soulful AI. First thing first, you're gonna have to access your Google Play Store or App Store in order to download the application. And once you're inside your App Store, you are gonna have to simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the bottom right, and then at the top you'll find the search bar. Tap on it, and then simply search for Talkie AI or Talkie Soulful AI. And once you have searched for it, you'll find different kind of AI apps right here. The first one, Talkie, the Creative AI Community. This is the one that you want to install. As you can see, it has 10 million plus downloads and it has almost 5-star reviews, which is great for its review. And if you want to learn more about this app, you can scroll down here, you read the reviews, and then here on about the app, and here you'll be able to see a detailed info about the app. So go ahead and read it if you want. Now, in order to download, just press on this install button and it will start downloading automatically. You might have to log in once you open up the app and then you can use it normally. That's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.